Hi, I'm Mohammed and you're watching the 26th episode of the Academic IELTS Writing Series. In this episode, we'll write the discussion essay's conclusion paragraph, so let's get started. Let's start by collecting the ingredients we need to write the conclusion paragraph. And here is the conclusion paragraph. As the above shows, convincing arguments can be made for and against freedom to choose university subjects. I believe that it would be better if students chose subjects based on personal preference. As a closing note, universities should offer a mandatory list of subjects in addition to a list of subjects that could be used as a substitute. Congratulations, we've written a discussion essay. In the next episode, we'll complete our problem solution essay. Until then, keep learning and keep practicing. Hey, it's me again. If you found this tutorial useful, make sure to like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Ask me your questions in the comments below. You can also contact me at mohammedgulpaigani@gmail.com for online lessons.